Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. With this video, we are going to show you how to floss. Yes! But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to show you how to floss without braces, floss with braces. I'm going to show you how to floss with a water flosser. So hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, here we go.
Step 1.
You like where I put my camera?
No!
Make sure it's about the length of your arm. All right.
Step 2.
Strike me a pose.
Next, wrap it around your middle finger here, and wrap it around your middle finger there, like so. But don't cut off the circulation in your finger.
Step 3.
All right, with your floss wrapped around your fingers like so, we're gonna get up close and personal here. So you take your floss, use your thumb and your pointing finger, or your thumb and your thumb, or your pointing finger and your pointing finger, and you guide the floss in between your teeth like so. So between your teeth like that, and kind of row. You're gonna wrap all the way around your tooth and go up kind of above the gum line, like this. Let me see, like this. Now, don't jam it up in there. If it hurts, you're pushing too hard, okay? And then you go to the next tooth, kind of wrap around this way, and so on. And then you just go all the way around your mouth, okay? With the next step, you can gross out your friends a little bit. Steak from last week, yum.
As a dentist, I see that all the time, actually.
Okay, so the big trouble with flossing with braces on is that you gotta take the floss, you gotta thread it underneath that wire like that, and then go in between the teeth, okay? So if you don't do that, there's no way, because of that wire, that you're gonna be able to get the floss to go all the way through. See, it blocks it. So it's very, 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 very difficult just to take regular floss like this and thread it underneath. So they've invented these cool little things that look something like this. Here's one of them. Then you take it out of the package. It looks something kind of like this. The point of it is to take your floss, thread it through this little loop like so. Then, because this is kind of stiff at the end, you can thread it underneath the wire like so, and then you can floss in between your teeth. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Another way is with this kind of floss. Okay, I've always nicknamed it Super Floss, but there's actually another brand called Super Floss that's different than this. So this is just threader floss. And if you open that up and look at it, it is kind of stiff on the tip right there. The rest of it's just like regular floss though. The point of it is so that you can take it and thread it underneath your orthodontic wires like that. And then you can get in there and floss like normal. Okay, just like I showed you a minute ago. They also make little things that look something like this. So to use one of these, you're supposed to take your floss, thread it through the tiny little hole right there, and then use this little device to get the floss up underneath your wire, like so. And then you just floss like normal. There you go. And you're supposed to do that around every single surface, all the way around the mouth. Now, ain't nobody got time for that. That's way too time consuming. So let's talk about a water flosser. Now for most people, that's super time consuming or just plain annoying and they don't want to do it. So that's why they've come up with water flossers. Technically, they don't clean quite as well as regular floss, but it's better than nothing. So let's show you how to use one of these bad boys. They also make them where you can hook them up to the shower. Step 1, fill it up with clean water. They recommend DI water, otherwise it's going to get built up and nasty stuff in it. Step 2, put it in your mouth first. And this is the aftermath of a water flosser. All this gunk and crap getting cleaned out of your mouth. So make sure you floss every day.